This is as low as politics can sink into. Political rivalry between Andhra Pradesh and Telangana now seems to be never ending, with both states planning to rewrite syllabus, presenting conflicting views in the textbooks. While they fight for their own egos, such petty politics is only leaving the students of both states to suffer.
It was a bitter split between Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, but the political rivalry is far from over. The latest victims of the bitter feud, students in both states.
New state wants the younger generation to know about the specificity of the Telangana identity and its personality and its culture. In the United State of Andhra Pradesh, the textbooks are somehow a little biased in the sense that they did not reflect the various dimensions of Telangana history and culture.
Telangana is preparing to strike first, with a committee specially set up to look into the matter. While the Andhra Pradesh government has ruled out such a move for now, the bitter political rivalry between the two states means that the issue could crop up in future.
Basically, we are agnostic to it. If the Telangana government feels that they have to rewrite history, it's their call. Let them take a call. We are not going to do that.
Same thing will continue for the time being. If anything is there, we'll let you know.
While Telangana stares at additional crores spent, perhaps the biggest loss will be for the students, petty politics threatening to rob them of the chance to learn about the region's shared cultural history.
Now the problem will be the states trying to, or the political leadership of that day, trying to legitimize anti to each other kind of a thing. Glorifying one's own thing is one aspect of it. In that glorification, subtle ways of spreading negativism and hatred against the other state is the problem.
It remains to be seen if the governments of both states can rise above their political differences and work together to uplift the people of the region together. Bureau Report, Times Now.